Do you want to play Fall Guys on your PC like this for free? Then make sure to watch the video till the end. So to download Fall Guys, open your browser and search for Epic Game Store. Head to the first website. And you may sign in if you want to, otherwise click on download. Now double-click on the installed file. Here just change the default location if you want to, otherwise, click on install. Wait for the installation to finish. And after that, if you are having an Epic Games account, then log in. Otherwise hit on sign up and complete the further verification. Well, I am having the account, so I will just log in using it. And now, you're in. And the following steps are very simple. Just search Fall Guys here in the search box. Hit on Get. Here it's showing in the library because I have already installed it. Here just accept their terms and conditions and hit on Place Order. And here in the library, you'll get an option to install. Simply click on that. Just wait for the installation to finish. And let me tell you that the game will take about 4.3 GB of space. So after installing, hit on Launch. And now you're good to go. So, if this helped, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.